A song, E Moni Haramar, Amai Nahi Shaje. We began our show with a prayer about humility. Here's one more about humility. It is said that humility is the true hallmark of greatness. People spend all their lives in search of fame, even a little bit of praise here and there. These days, likes on social media. Now here is Tagore, who says, From you my face I hide, by this ornament so shamed inside. What is this ornament? Nobel Prize. And who is you? Higher power, Lord, whoever closest dearest to you, up to your imagination. So this is a famous Bengali song. Dr. Shuktika Chatterjee, acclaimed artist, will now perform E Moni Haramai Nahi Saje. Nahi Saje. I've tried to translate these lyrics, and it's a very tough job to translate, and I've tried to translate it in verse to give the audience a little bit of a feel of to give it a poetic meter. Again, this is a Nobel Prize winner, so please forgive me if there are errors in the translation. This garland be jeweled for me, so undeserved. It hurts to wear, it jars to tear. My voice chokes as the melody falters. In my mind, it constantly lurks, taking me away from my works. When shall I put this on you, I yearn. Only then shall my heart's peace return. Please greet me with a floral wreath. From you, my face I hide, by this ornament, so shamed inside. Welcome, Shuktika Chatterjee.
Hello, track please. রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরকে প্রণাম জানিয়ে আমার প্রথম নিবেদন, আশা করছি আপনাদের ভালো লাগবে। শুনুন, ট্র্যাক প্লিজ।
Ire bhorte gele lage
গুরুদেব লাভ